Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the SSL certificate error across all the browsers that we normally use, then please look for the following solutions. See, normally this error happens when the date and time that is picked up by the browser from our system do not match. So what we need to do is to sync the date and time. So how do we do that? We right click on the start button, look for settings, then look for time and language, click on date and time, and you set the time zone automatically on, set time automatically on, and then you sync. And that should resolve the issue. If that doesn't, then what we can do is we can activate an option on the system to use SSL 3.0. So how do we do that? We click the Windows button along with R. This will open a tab, the run tab. In this, you click the command inetcpl.cpl, press enter. This will open a tab, Internet Properties. Click on the Advanced tab, go right below and look for Use SSL 3.0. Check that box, click Apply, OK, restart the computer and you should be fine. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.